Welcome to the Boston Scientific Electronic Quality Management System, MasterControl. In this video demonstration you will be shown how to perform documentation changes, reviews and approvals. In my tax, you'll be receiving documentation reviews and approval requests whenever your input is required. The Tile Start task contains now a new function, Packets, to initiate or schedule document activities in the system. Analytics will allow you to access and view reports. The Tile Explorer will open a screen to easy visualize documentation. My Subscriptions allows you to keep up with the changes for documents of your choice. And in Tracking you can follow the progress of the activities through the workflow. The Document Hub is now available in the left-hand side. In this hub, there are specific functions to search and view documentation, including a dedicated Explorer for documents, and a tile to access documentation reports. On the top bar, you will always have access to search, quick navigation to easily jump to other areas in MasterControl, and links to create shortcuts in your home page for quick navigation to other areas in the system. Before we continue further, let's clarify some of the terminology used in MasterControl. Vault. MasterControl uses multiple databases to store information, a database for documents, a database for users, a database for quality events, a database for change controls, and so on. Each of the databases are called vaults. InfoCard. Each database entry contains information. For example, a document database record contains the identifier, the title, the effective date, the author, and the document version. MasterControl calls them InfoCards. Packet. A packet is an action in MasterControl to initiate an activity. For example, to create a document change request, you need to start or launch a packet. To create a document change request for an existing procedure in MasterControl, first locate and access the document's InfoCard. On the sign-off icon, select New Packet Task. Select one of the available workflows in the drop-down menu. In this example, to request to modify this global document, use BTG Standard Approval. To withdraw the document from use, select BTG Standard Archival. Enter the proposed change details and the reasons for change. This section contains a list of documents you want to change. The plus icon allows you to add more documents to the DCR. For example, you can request to change at the same time an associated form, or any other available procedure in MasterControl. If a new document needs to be created, contact Document Control to create the InfoCard and make it available to you. Task Options allows you to indicate if the existing training material needs to be changed. Save the DCR to continue later or launch it to request the approval from Document Control. If the sign-off icon is not available, this indicates the document is currently undergoing changes and you cannot create a new DCR. After your DCR is approved by Document Control, you'll be notified by email and the task will be available in your to-do list. Task details contains the DCR information you have submitted. Add info cards allows you to include more documents. In this section, you can check out the draft and perform the changes to the document, as per approved DCR. The checking in and out process is automatic in MasterControl. Make sure Track Changes is active and proceed to modify the document. Add any comments if you wish to clarify the changes to the reviewers and approvers. Click on Save, close Microsoft Word and return to MasterControl. The draft is automatically checked in. Click on Update InfoCard main file and select Use Latest Redline. And finally click on the eye icon to enter a brief description of the changes you have performed and any notes to clarify the activity. In comments, you can add information regarding who is required to review the document, additional changes, and other information for the next stages. Members allows you to share the edit task with other staff and collaborate to produce the final draft. When the document is ready for review, notify Document Control by email. Document Control will initiate the review and the collaboration task. Let's take a moment to have a look at the entire workflow before continuing. We've seen how to create a DCR and how to modify the draft document. To proceed to the collaboration workspace and initiate the review, Document Control must be notified. We'll be seeing now how to review the changes to the draft. And finally how to approve the document. The authorization will take place in 2 separate steps. And Document Control will release the new version of the document in MasterControl. To review a document in MasterControl, first locate the collaboration task in your to-do list. The step is called Author, Edit, Review, Collaboration. There is a review period of 1 week for local documents and 2 weeks for global procedures. You can read the approved change request information in Task Details. The due date is indicated on the right-hand side. Click on the Edit File icon to edit the current draft. In MasterControl, the check-in and out process is automatic. Review the changes performed to the document. Ensure Track Changes is active and add any comments as necessary. When finished, save the document and then close Microsoft Word to return to the collaboration space. Expand the Members section to view the review status. Personnel in green color have completed the review. The waiting icon indicates the review has not been performed yet. A tick-off icon signifies the review was performed and the reviewer has decided to stay in the collaboration to follow the rest of the review process. This icon indicates the reviewer has left the collaboration process with, or without performing the review. Click on the envelope if you would like to contact by email all the reviewers, or just one in particular. When you have completed the review, click on the sign-off icon located on the top right. Select Complete if you wish to finish your task and stay in the collaboration to follow the rest of the review process, or select Complete and Quit when you have finished the review and do not require to review it again or track the progress. Just before proceeding to approval, or during the approval stage, the new training material must be supplied to the training coordinator. To proceed to approval, select End Collaboration or Contact Document Control. The approval process in MasterControl takes place in 2 stages and is called Content and Training Approval. First, the author, approvers and training coordinator must approve the proposed draft. After, a member of the quality assurance team will sign off. Let's proceed to authorize the changes to this document. Click on the document icon to view the proposed draft with the changes. View Packet allows you to read the details of the approved DCR. Select Continue to proceed to the approval or rejection. Enter your electronic signature and click the button Sign Off. You have successfully approved this document and the task will disappear from your to-do list. After the document has been fully approved, Document Control will release it and the training will be delivered automatically. Thank you for your attention. If you require any support or assistance, please contact your local Document Control department.